Why is Ukraine's drone chief confident that Moscow will fall soon? This bold claim reveals surprising shifts in modern warfare and Ukraine's new edge in the conflict. You will want to know how drones are changing the game. Ukraine's drone chief bases his confidence on how drones have transformed the battlefield. Unlike traditional weapons, drones offer real-time intelligence and precision strikes deep behind enemy lines. This disrupts Moscow's command centers and supply routes, weakening their hold on occupied areas. These drones are relatively low cost, but highly effective, allowing Ukraine to keep pressure on Russian forces without risking pilots or expensive aircraft. The confidence also comes from Ukraine's rapid improvements in drone technology. Their drones now feature longer flight ranges, enhanced stealth to avoid detection, and versatile payloads that can strike multiple targets. This technological edge means Moscow's traditional air defenses struggle to counter these threats. Each successful drone mission chips away at Russian morale and operational capability, making the prospect of losing control over key areas increasingly likely. Beyond physical damage, drones serve as a psychological weapon. The constant threat of unseen drone attacks wears down Russian troops and commanders. This fear of sudden strikes creates uncertainty and hesitation, undermining morale. When soldiers doubt their security, operational efficiency drops. The drone chief sees this psychological toll as key to Moscow's eventual weakening and potential fall in the near future. Another reason for this confidence is the strong international support Ukraine receives, especially from Western nations. This includes cutting-edge drone technology, real-time intelligence sharing, and training. Such support multiplies Ukraine's drone effectiveness and sustains their operations. With this external backing, Ukraine's drone forces continue to grow stronger and more capable, increasing the pressure on Moscow's defenses. Ukraine's drone chief's confidence is not just bravado. It comes from a combination of advanced technology, tactical innovation, psychological impact, and international aid. These factors together create a new kind of warfare that challenges Moscow's dominance in unprecedented ways. Stay curious and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.